Fortis Hospital or say a Max Healthcare and meeting the counselors there. So since all of this is scattered everywhere, if Talwalkar starts with one-stop shop solution for all of this and brings it together, I think consumer would be more than willing to adapt this in their daily routine versus looking at separate solutions, as I mentioned earlier. So they were willing to come and exercise this option at a gym. Kedar.
Okay. Customized lifestyle management that you're offering. Inside says everybody is leading a stressful lifestyle and asking for help. Are there adjacent categories, which you guys have looked at to show that people who have these problems are looking out for solutions and are ready to pay?
There are health counselors which are present in Max Healthcare and Fortis and similar such hospitals. We spoke to doctor in our expert interviews. We also spoke to spa running in Bombay, and they said the source of business that they get is simply because people are stressed. All of the walk-ins that come into a spa is, I am stressed, I need a back massage, my shoulders and neck are hurting, and that's the reason why their business is growing.
Lovely. That's exactly what I wanted to ask you guys. When somebody is stressed, they relieve themselves of stress by going to a spa. Why would they go to a counselor to get rehabilitated in a rehabilitation center which looks and feels like gym?
See, currently in a spa, the current average check, if I may call it, is for 1,500 to 2,000 rupees. That's what you pay for one visit, right? And not many people go to spa more than, say, once in a month. And they're not willing to spend more than that. So it's like they touch the tipping point and then they look for a solution in terms of, ki, abhi mujhe jana hai, I need to be de-stressed. But in a gym, what we're saying is you ingrain this as a daily routine of your lifestyle and you shouldn't be even reaching the tipping point if it may come to that. As per our pricing, 18,000 would come around to be what, 1,500 to 2,000 per month, and that is 30 days versus 1 day in a spa.
Okay.
Well done, Wizards. That was an intense Q&A session, and we're going to give our judges a few minutes to deliberate and decide which team gets to represent ISB Hyderabad in the semi-final round. The jury took some time to exchange notes and analyze the ideas put forward.
The thought is what is more important in terms of the direction.
There's more you can do with that.
There is more you can do with that thought as a business.
While we listened in, the teams were busy analyzing their own performances outside the presentation area.
The judges liked our ideas. They pushed us hard, asked some tough questions, but we had a lot of fun.
The other guys, they did lifestyle disease, but didn't go into a bigger idea. But these guys just let themselves down, which I felt bad about.
We did our groundwork and it came out really well in the presentation and the Q&A. But I think one area where we could have improved was by doing some kind of cost analysis.
So I have the results with me, and the team that will go on to represent ISB Hyderabad in the semi-final round is Team Wizard. Congratulations. And can I quickly ask Nitin, what tilted the scales in Team Wizard's favor? What did you like about their presentation?
I think your idea of stress as a product is a wonderful thought. And the reason why you sort of won was because you sort of explained that thought into a product. However, you were not able to connect that thought to the business product somewhere down the line. However, you had great analysis on your figures and you had given a thought on the product, and you were able to dovetail that existing product into the existing products of the gym, which is very important, and I think that sort of tilted the favor, but very close, very close. Yeah.
Thank you, Nitin. Congratulations once again to both teams, especially to Team Wizard. We'll see you again in the semi-final round. And with that, we come to the end of this campus round of Lime Season 4. Thank you so much for watching, and do join us next week when we'll be back at another campus with another exciting case.
I feel really happy that our team won this competition. We had put in a lot of effort, and the best teams from all over India would be participating in semi-finals and finals. So the challenge is going to be harder than what it was right now. And me and my team will promise that we'll live up to the challenge. I feel really happy that our team won this competition. We had put in a lot of effort, and personally speaking, I'm really happy because I come from finance background, and here I was following a case which was in marketing. So me and my team had put a lot of effort, and it feels really happy. I feel really happy about this. Yeah, I mean, going forward, there'll be the top team, the best teams from all over India would be participating in semi-finals and finals. So the challenge is going to be harder than what it was right now, and me and my team will promise that we'll live up to the challenge.